Add 2/5 plus 3/10. In order to add fractions, you need to make sure that the denominators are the same. Well, they're not. This is a 5 and this is a 10. But I can find a least common denominator pretty nicely because 5 is divisible by 10, which means 10 is a least common denominator. So I need to turn this one fraction into a fraction over 10. Well, how do I turn 5 into 10? Multiply it by 2. If you multiply the denominator by 2, you have to multiply the numerator by 2 as well. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 5 is 10. The fraction on the right hasn't changed. That's still 3 over 10. Now when you add fractions of the same denominator, you add the numerators together, so 4 plus 3 is 7, and keep the denominator exactly the same, so 10. So 2/5 plus 3/10 ends up being 7/10. Nothing simplifies. You're good to go.